Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity, all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, mental illness, physical ailments are at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my fountain of youth technique. But before that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is to release all the things that don't serve you, the old you. You're coming into a new season. We do not want any old habits. We don't want any old opportunities or thoughts. We don't want to have any old presumptions. We want to step into this new season anew, totally as a blank slate, looking for blessings. What happened in the past was the past. The future is something new. I stopped fighting my fears and the hardships of life. Therefore, you become stronger and you control your thoughts. Live in the present moment and accept each stage of life. I work on what I have the power over, and I put into God's hands what I cannot change. That is true strength. Focusing on what you can change. Work on those things every day. Stay in the present. Don't worry about how things are unveiling themselves. Don't worry about the how. Just make sure you put in the work and get ready to receive victory. I trust that everything will work out for my best and the best timing. You're in the best place, right time, right timing, right thoughts. And the only thing that you must do is release giving up, doubt, thinking that things are going to change. Release those things that don't serve you. We are magnets. This is the rules of the universe. Whatever we think, that's what we bring in. So only positive energy. Release all that negative, frees up more space for positivity, and that expedites your journey to the next level. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.